So I'm going to talk to a scammer from TikTok, and I'm going to call him because he told me to call him. And I'm going to record it. Hey,
Hello.
hey, how you doing?
I'm fine. And you?
Good, good. Nice to meet you.
I, I am Calvin by name.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Thank you. And your brother gave me your number today.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what do you do? I'm trying, you're talking to
Yeah, I am.
my,
Yeah, I am a full-time Bitcoin account manager. I manage accounts for people.
oh, okay. For accounts
Yeah,
for
and
accounts
he
for
also
what?
yeah. He also told me you were interested in investing.
Yeah, yeah. I've always been interested and learning more about that stuff.
Yeah, I would like you to surprise others with your profit.
Yeah, so how does that work? Talk to me.
Yeah.
Tell me more about it.
Okay. So, what are you thinking about your investment?
I don't know because I still don't know anything about you're not giving me any information about it. How does that work? What is the
Has
process?
your brother okay. Has your brother sent you any information about the trading?
No, no, like he's busy, I'm busy, everybody's working all the time, Not
Okay,
really, not
okay.
really.
I also asked him to send the company website to you.
Yeah, no, he didn't send me that. Can you send me that, please?
Yeah, I'll do. And I'll also guide you on the process.
Okay.
Is that okay now?
On the process of what?
I would I will guide you on the process of creating your account.
Yeah, but you still haven't given me any information. Like I said, I wanna get to know you. Like I said, I don't know you,
Okay,
which is why I wanted to
okay,
talk to
okay,
you.
okay. Okay. I'll tell you more about myself. Okay?
Yes.
Chat me up so that I can give you more information about what you need to know now.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, okay. So you see, he hung up on me. So I got him on the phone, and he is not Power Up Publish because I know Power Publish, and Power Publish name is Calvin Hill, and Calvin Hill doesn't sound like that. Let me pause it for a second.